Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Living a Balanced Life with Julio. On today's episode, we're going to talk about my favorite soup of all, ginger carrot sweet potato soup. In this soup, the ingredients include sweet potato, carrots, ginger. I add in narrow pepper. I'll add garlic because of the benefits of garlic. I love turmeric, so I add turmeric as well. These are all healthy herbs that can help boost your immune system and help. It has anti-inflammatory benefits. I chop all my ingredients into little pieces so it's easier to cook and it's faster to cook. So let's start with sweet potato. Sweet potato is better for you than white potato because it's packed with vitamins and minerals. It's high fiber, it's digested slowly, and the sugar from it is released slowly into your bloodstream, so therefore you stay full longer, and it helps control your blood sugar that way. It's packed with vitamin C, which has vitamin A, good for your immune system. It's great for your eyes because of the beta carotene that's in there. So tons of benefits of sweet potato. And now let's move on to the carrots. Carrots are particularly good source of beta carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They're weight loss friendly food and have been linked to low cholesterol level and improve eyesight. Prevent heart disease, it reduces high blood pressure, it helps you maintain good digestive health, it reduces the risk of cancer and stroke, prevent macular degeneration, it regulates your blood sugar level, and it can help boost your immune system. Ginger has been used by many cultures for many years because of all the added benefits of vitamins and minerals that's in there. And usually it's used to treat nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger may reduce your muscle pain and soreness because it has an anti-inflammatory property, so it helps with swelling that's in the body. So someone that suffers from osteoarthritis or any kind of arthritis or any kind of joint pains, ginger is a good spice to add to your list. And those that want to lose weight or maintaining their weight, it can help with that as well, and because it has all the anti-inflammatory benefits that is good for your body. Onions are very good for you as well. Besides preventing cardiovascular disease, onion can help dissolve blood clots, it fights against infection, it can lower your risk of developing cancer, help detoxify the body by boosting the good cholesterol up and help lower the bad cholesterol. It reduces blood pressure, and it can help you, for those that suffer from any kind of respiratory or lung disease like asthma, it can help improve lung function in people that have asthma. So onion, if you don't normally eat onion, it's a good vegetable to start to introduce into your diet because it's very good for it. Garlic and onion all belong in the Ilium family. Not only does it make the food taste good, but it has a lot of health benefits. Some of the benefits of garlic include our cholesterol level and therefore improve your cardiovascular health. It helps strengthen your immune system because of all the different benefits that's found in garlic. Garlic can also want to lose weight, can help with weight control and weight maintenance. It reduces and can help regulate blood sugar, diabetes, or the one that have prediabetes. Not only does it make your food taste good and smell amazing, but it also has a lot of health benefits for you. And if you're going to try this soup, introduce garlic in there and you will not be disappointed. And of course, everyone that knows me knows that I love spicy food. So usually I add some kind of pepper to almost all the dishes that I make. Even if it doesn't call for it, I like to throw it in there because I like that heat and the kick that comes from pepper. That not only does it taste good, but it has it's packed and loaded with antioxidants. It aids in improving vision. It's a great source of vitamin E. In this soup, I put 2 habanero peppers. So if you do not like pepper, or if you cannot handle the heat from this habanero pepper, you can try the less mild pepper. You can try chili pepper. You can try jalapeno pepper. Whatever pepper you like, you can substitute it for the soup. It doesn't change the taste, and it just will add all the many benefits of the pepper to the soup. Just like ginger, it is full with anti-inflammatory benefits and it's packed with antioxidants. So they're there. Not only does it make the soup look even brighter and more appealing, but it has a lot of health benefits. Turmeric is natural anti-inflammatory. So for those that suffer from arthritis and joint pains and stiffness, adding turmeric to your diet can help with that. It has the ability to reduce pain, so it's natural analgesic. It's improved digestion. It can control your blood pressure. It strengthens your ligaments, right? So the ligaments it's the joint supporter. So if you are introducing turmeric, it's improving not only your inflammation, but it's also help to strengthen your ligaments health. So those that suffer from asthma, turmeric can help improve the lung function. That suffer from IBS, it can help prevent gas and bloating. It helps heal stomach ulcer, metabolism, and therefore can help you with weight management. So turmeric, just like ginger, has tons of health benefits. So once you've chopped all the ingredients that's necessary for the soup, I personally don't saute the onion with oil. So what I do is I get a large pot, put water in it, and then I put all my ingredients in it, including all my turmeric and everything, and then bring it to a boil. The last thing I put in my soup is, of course, salt. Whenever I'm cooking, I wait till everything is done cooking, especially with soup, because the soup reduces and it gets less. The salt is added at the end, so you don't require too much of it. So always add your salt at the end to help with the amount of salt that you're putting in your food, so you can control your blood pressure and prevent cardiovascular disease there. In about 5-6 minutes, and then all of it I transfer into a blender, and I puree all of it, and then I pour it back into the pot to cook down for about maximum 10 minutes, and then it's ready to go. I don't add any cream, I don't add any oil, because I want it to be very healthy. And this is why this is my favorite go-to soup all the time, because of all the health benefits. And this is your main meal, like I usually have it for lunch. Then because there's no added protein here, usually I will grate some cheese and put in there. I love cheese, so this is my way of getting the cheese in there. This is usually my only protein that I add to this type of food. So you can add cheese if you choose to. If you're not adding cheese and this is kind of like a small side soup with your meal, then you don't need to add anything. You can just have it just like that. Some people put nuts in there, because nuts and seeds are great protein foods, so you can put that in there, so you're getting all the fiber benefit and all the protein benefit from the nuts and seed. If you don't prefer nuts and seed, you can also add a chicken breast. So you can, any leftover chicken or meat that you have, you can chop it up and add it to the soup, and this way you're getting your protein as well. And this, to me, when I do that, it becomes a meal, so I'm not having this with other meals. So I hope you like this recipe. I hope you try it. For those that have never had ginger carrot sweet potato soup, it's my favorite type of soup. Everyone that knows me, especially my coworkers, know I'm constantly drinking my sweet potato carrot soup, and then with my cheese added. So try it, see if you like it. If you have other soups that are interested and you have added your own flair to it, please share with me so I can share with everybody, and I'll try and let you know how it goes. So until next time, take care of you. Let your food be your medicine. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. What we're doing, our kids are watching, so they're learning as well, so we can all work together to live a healthy, balanced life. Until next time, take care.